Ignite is an ongoing series of speedy presentation. Each speaker gets only 5 minutes and 20 slides that auto-advance every 15 seconds.
Imagine traveling around the world in search of new ideas. Try things you've never done before and face up to your fears. Now let's mix in some open source. It's great community. You'll have the most amazing time from folks who value free. So gather round and hear a tale of lessons that I know, and maybe give your own ideas of living 2.0. The first thing is to set your goals, whatever they may be. It helps to use familiar terms, so let's call them XP. If you're like me, I hope you are, XP is pretty sweet. Defining it's a simple thing. It's anything you'd tweet. I've spent an awful lot of time in making my life fun, and so I want to share with you just how it can be done. Now, I have tried so many things, but if the truth be told, my fondest memories of all are living on the road. Travel is a fantastic way to make your XP rock. There's so much that you can see and do, and achievements to unlock. To gain XP, you'll want some tools and some philosophy. And since we're all developers, let's put them in a tree. Find something that you really like and try to make it pay. Working on the things you love will really make your day. It helps a bit to have some cash, but much less than you think. If you exclude my airfare costs, my biggest cost is drink. Be very careful what you buy. Geeks love a toy or two. Possessions aren't the things you own. Possessions, they own you. You might have heard of couch surfing to help you save your dough, but I've discovered geek surfing is the best way to go. Contact your local user group. Tell them you've hit the ground, and you will find the nicest folks that ever will be found. Perhaps you'll need to give a talk. Perhaps you'll drink some beer. But everyone will be impressed. You've travelled to be here. Another piece of good advice for those out on the road. You'll probably want to get some apps to shed cognitive load. The ones I've found the most useful as you travel round tell you where you're going next and where you can be found. And now, my friends, I give some hints on how to hack a brain. I trust these will be used for good. From evil, please refrain. To make a friend, just simply smile. Say words they'd like to hear. But if you want their loyalty, mix in a little fear. It helps as well to have a prop about which folks may chat. Some of my best adventures yet have started with nice hat. Don't forget to shower often and never to lose hope. This and other sage advice from Dr. Bronner's soap. And when you're feeling lonely and some company would be swell, then just sit back and write some code. I'd suggest FQL. It helps to think about your life and everything it brings. But most importantly of all, enjoy the little things. So thank you all for coming here and giving me your time. I wish to give a final thought which far surpasses mine. In the great words of Bill and Ted and their philosophy, be excellent to each other, and that is all from me.